Traffic rules for turning left. Who gives way to whom? Task. In what order will the cars move in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Green car, blue car, yellow car. 2. Green car, yellow car, blue car. 3. Blue car, yellow car, green car. 4. Blue car, green car, yellow car. 5. Yellow car, blue car, green car. 6. Yellow car, green car, blue car. Analysis of a task. At the intersection, the drivers of the green and yellow cars turn left, while the blue car goes straight ahead. There are no traffic lights or signs at the intersection. Therefore, this unregulated intersection of equal roads must be passed according to the rule of right-of-way from the right. However, this does not apply to the driver of the blue car, even though he has no obstruction on the right, because he is leaving the courtyard of a residential building. Let's read the traffic rule. When entering the road from a residential area, courtyards, parking lots, gas stations, and other adjacent areas, the driver must give way to pedestrians and vehicles moving on the roadway or sidewalk, and when exiting the road, to cyclists and pedestrians whose direction of movement he is crossing. Therefore, in the situation depicted, the blue car will pass last. The yellow and green cars are on equal roads, so we read the traffic rule. At an intersection of equal roads, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right. Thus, the driver of the green car has the right of way, as the yellow car is obstructing the right side of the green car. Correct answer number 2, green car, yellow car, blue car.
Oh yeah!